Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Excuse me. Okay, you guys. So first, I have nothing on the lips and I bought a couple of these e.l.f. Pout Clout lip plumping pins and I am absolutely loving them. And of course, y'all, give me a timeout, please. I don't think this says the name of this dang thing, this shade on this, or if it is literally the tiniest print that I cannot read. But this is whatever the mauve one is, and I am so sorry. I threw the box away because of course I did, because why would I need to keep the box? But it does not say the actual name of the shade anywhere on this, but it is the mauve shade. So I'm going to put that on because I've really been loving these. My lips need all the moisture in the world. Here's what that looks like. And super shiny, comfortable. They give the absolute teeny tiniest color payoff. And they do have that like minty feel for plumping, obviously. So yeah, that I've just been loving those, so I just wanted to show it to you guys. I just ordered them off of the e.l.f. website because I have their point system, like I get free shipping no matter what, and I have like a lot of points that I needed to use. So there's that. In today's video, I've had this palette for a minute. I just haven't gotten to film with it for whatever reason, but it's the Fall Magic palette by Unearthly Cosmetics. Absolutely beautiful. So we will do our usual two looks, and one will be kind of greenish, one will be pinkish, and let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I want to start with this shade. Forage is just grungy green and beautiful. That's what we're starting with. My hair is sticking to my face because I didn't really have time for my hair to dry, so it's gonna be one of those days, you guys. I actually took yesterday off work, which was really, really good for my soul. I got out in nature. If you've been here for a minute, nature is my savior. Man, that's where I go when my head is just about to explode and I can't take it anymore. I turn to nature and it's really good for me. So also, it's getting warmer. My allergies are killing me. Now we're gonna go with the shade Earthy, which is this really beautiful deep green, just so pretty. And we're just gonna kind of put that in the old crease a little bit more, a little lower than that other shade. And actually, I haven't done a look like this in a while. I think I'm going to just carry that onto the outer portion of the lid as well. Let's do it. But I want a packer brush to really pack it on. So let's do this. And also, you guys, Betty Boop, the palette I ordered from Glamlight, is supposed to be here today. Fingers crossed the post office doesn't screw it up. It actually arrives when it's supposed to, which is very, very rare with my post office around here. And I can film my Valentine's Day look tomorrow, and hopefully it'll go up the day before Valentine's Day. So that'll be really cool. My husband and I, since our schedules are opposite, we never see each other, all the things. Sunday's the only day we get together, so we are actually going to celebrate Valentine's Day on Super Bowl Sunday. We're not really big football fans, so that doesn't really matter, and we're just gonna go earlier in the day and I think go somewhere to eat lunch. So nothing crazy, but it's at least something. So that'll be fun. Okay, now I'm just going in with some glitter glue and I put that on the inner portion of the eye. Yeah, so you guys, Valentine's Day, do you have plans? Do you celebrate? The one thing I don't like about Valentine's Day is like people that are single. Like it doesn't have to be about being with like a specific significant other. Like do something nice for yourself or go out with your friends. You know, you don't have to like have someone that doesn't define your self-worth, that doesn't make you more important or less important or whatever. Like you are amazing just how you are. You don't need someone to define your worth or any of that. So like don't let Valentine's Day make you feel that way. Honestly, like it's just one of those rare days where my husband and I are like, let's actually do something together, because again, we never see each other, schedules are opposite, we just don't really go out much. So it's just one of those things that for us, like it makes us make a point to do something together, but other than that, like it's not a big deal. So please, like if you are single, don't feel less than because of it, because you're not. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Leaves right here. But yeah, that's just the one thing that I really dislike about Valentine's Day, because it doesn't have to be just like a significant other. You can spend time with your friends or just do something like nice for yourself. There's totally nothing wrong with that. I think we all need to get better about that. I know I do. So yeah, it's my little take on that. Like I actually love like the thought of Galentine's Day. I just don't really have like, I don't really have a bunch of friends, so like it's not like I have a bunch of people that I would really, you know, go out with. But I absolutely love the idea of getting out with your friends and just like doing something fun and just enjoying the day. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so that is beautiful and shimmery and amazing. We know how Unearthly Cosmetics is. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm just going to take the shade Spice right there and just put that on the lower lash line. Just something simple, nothing too crazy. All right, and then for the lower inner corner highlight, I think I want to go in with the shade, I don't know, the shade Autumn. I think I'm gonna go in with that one right there. That is so pretty. I love Unearthly Cosmetics. And their palettes are always just so good, consistent, and their shimmers phenomenal. Okay. Now let's get started on the other eye, which is going to be like our more pinkish eye. So we're going to start out with this really pretty shade Cozy, which is right here. Just such a pretty pink. Just so pretty. Like I am so ready for spring, for the flowers to start blooming. I can get out, do more photography stuff, get more nature time in, which I need more than ever right now. Okay. Now, what shade do I want to go in with next? That's the $1,000,000 question at the moment. I think I'm going to take the shade Snug, which is this really pretty deep purple right there. And that's what we're going to go in just with that crease and then kind of pack it on the outer corner. Okay. Now, just going to start packing that same shade onto the outer corner, like we did with the other eye. Now just putting some glitter glue on the inner portion of that eye, like we do. Oops. Okay, sorry, a box just tipped over and scared the crap out of me. Okay, now I'm thinking we're going in with this shade Enchanting. It is just so beautiful, and I'm just really, really excited to see how it looks on the eye. And it just threw a green shift at me. Okay. Was not expecting that. Was totally going for a more pink look on this eye. I mean, it's pink, but it's got that shift in it. It played me. It played me, but it's pretty. Should I put something on it? I don't know. I feel like the rest of these kind of are going to shift green as well, but I could be wrong. Let me try and figure this out. Okay, that's okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You know what? Let's put some of the shade Change on top of it, and hopefully that will stay more pink. Not that I'm upset with it, but I kind of just had like something that I thought was going to happen, and it totally threw me. Okay, that looks cool with both of those on top. Okay. Okay, not that I was upset, but I just kind of had like a vision in my head, and I kind of, because I did green on this side, I wanted more pink on this one, so. Okay, that looks phenomenal though, not gonna lie, super pretty. All right, now for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna use that same shade Spice just because. Because. So again, shade Spice. On that lower lash line. Okay, now for the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade, I'm gonna go in with the shade Crisp. I just want to see what this looks like. Okay, that is a really, really, really cool green. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and these are the finished looks. And it was with the Unearthly Cosmetics Fall Magic Palette. Absolutely beautiful. I truly hope that this is not blurry, but I'm at that zoomed in point where things get questionable. So I'm just gonna try and do whatever I can. And here are the looks that I created. I was originally going to use this for my Valentine's Day look tomorrow, but Glamlight's telling me that the Betty Boop palette should be here today, so hopefully I'll be able to film with that tomorrow, do my Valentine's Day look, and it will hopefully go up the day before Valentine's Day so you guys can see it. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Just remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. If you know someone who you think might like my content, like, please do me a favor, share it with them. And yeah, just you guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. Please remember that you are beautiful, you are amazing, you are loved, you are just all of the beautiful good things in this world. And just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.